even when you add an N. If you speak Chinese or another Asian language, be careful, particularly when ow comes before N. It still needs to be nice and big and then moving to a nice small round shape. Down, down, down. For load, we start in a fairly neutral shape. O, O, O. And then we move into that same small round back shape. O, O, O. Down, load, down, load, download. British Accent Academy's new pronunciation ebook is now available to download. Head to the link in my bio or the link in my stories to download the new ebook. Happy practicing.